I'm just outside a little arcade called Merker Slots, and we've just got a random cat just sat in doorway chilling. Looks proper content as well. Yes guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's Auditing in Yorkshire and I'm just in Shipley. Well, Bradford as always. Well, not as always, but yeah, I'm in Bradford. I've just popped to Shipley. This is first point of call. Reason I've come here is because I did a little vlog a while ago on AY Vlogs. I'll put link in description. I'll put the video the link for the video in description so you can go check it out. And Shipley Centre were getting like remodernised, like the actual town centre. Now they've opened most of it up now to public. There's still a bit of work to do, but you can actually get it middle under all the gazebos. So we're just going to check that out. Get some Shipley Tower drone footage, and then we'll go to Bradford and see what we can see there. So I'll pick it back up. Yeah, so we're just walking down to Shipley Centre now. There's a sandwich bar there, Shipley Sandwich Bar. That's banging. I recommend anyone to try that place if they come to Shipley for the dinner. I get a bit hungry, so we have just walked up from Asda. I'm gonna what is it? Pay police station a visit when we get up there. You know, just before I leave. I did see a police car coming out with lights and sirens on, but I don't know where it's gone. Someone's singing down here. I think there's something going on. So we'll check that police station out on the way back to the car, then we'll go to Bradford. I'm going to try not to get copyrighted, but there is someone singing down there. Why do people always have to sing everywhere I go, man? It's a piss take. But yeah, these are gazebos, man. So it's all this is new. Like I say, you couldn't even walk down here before. But when you got the car park, that's not open yet. And that's what it's gonna look like when it's finished. Old toilets, don't know what we're doing with them. We'll see if we get any women coming and busting my balls today, saying you can't do this and you can't do that. Shipley used to be a good place to live years ago. It used to be a good place to come shopping, but over years it's just declined in shops, declined in views, and that's probably why we're doing something and making it look better. But we need to get this town hall fixed, this town clock fixed, because it's been like that literally for about 15 years. They need to get it fixed, man. Every time they fixed it, it broke again. But we're going to take the drone up, do a little 360 around it, man, and get a 360 photo of Shipley. He's the supervisor of some sort. Don't know what's going on here. What's it say there? S39. God knows what all that's about. But yeah, all this is new as well. Look, all this bark and these rocks, bit of grass. All this never used to be here before. It's all new. Shipley is a good place. It's quiet. I lived here for about 12 years. There's a marketplace under the town clock. There's a market. We need to start lowering rates, man, and getting more people in here. But we are going to We are going to get drawn up. I want to get a copyright strike, guys, with music, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take drone up and just put some audio music over it. But that's for a little stage where someone's going to be dancing or something next weekend for some kind of festival going on. So I might come and check it out. So that's that, man. We've had the drone up. I've put some music over it because I didn't want to get done for copyright. And as soon as I land it drone, she stopped singing. Absolutely bonkers, man. So we're going to have a walk up to the police station, see what crack is there, and then we're going to go to Bradford and we're going to go live. But yeah, link for the previous video in Shipley will be in the description of this video. And if you're not subbed to AY Audits, go sub, man, smash that notification bell and like. like the videos because it's good for algorithm. Go check the cop shop out. Yeah, so this is the police station, guys. Now, to be fair, I wasn't really going to come here because not whatever happens. What's really interesting, right, is the first ever audit I ever did were actually this video. So I did put a couple of more videos out before then. But yeah, the first ever audit video I did was of this police station. And when I came here again once, I saw look at that butterfly. I saw a police van crash into a car. Check that out, man. Isn't that beautiful? So I'll put the links for them videos in the description of this as well. Wow, it's times like this I'm glad I've got a gimbal. So that's actually the whoa, butterfly what's moving. The wind on the tree, not my phone. But yeah, I could probably catch that if I wanted to. But yeah, like I said, not whatever happens here. Best one when that police van crashed into another police van when it was stationary. It was crazy. But yeah, for anyone who don't know, it used to be open, this place, years ago. Many years ago. We are on camera. I think these are all cop cars, YJ69, FT23, YC23, no cop cars. So, should we see if we've got any grit? Yeah, man. I'm sure there's residential streets down here as well. I'm pretty sure they have. So there used to be a sign what said, this is what confuses me. There used to be a sign what said police vehicles only, no trespassing. But it's not here anymore. But if you walk outside at the police station, you've got a sign there saying parking for police and staff vehicles only. But again, there's no sign saying no trespassing or out like that, or keep out. Now, years ago, that house, I'm not going to point at the house for so long, but it's that one there. It used to be a police building. Since then, they've built an house and they've put fences and all kinds of stuff up. And I'm just going to put my camera down a bit because I don't want to film people's houses. And it leads round to a street, which I'm just going to show you very quickly. Now, I'm only showing you because it's history, guys. It's history, especially for people from Shipley and all who didn't know. But yeah, it's just houses on the street. And then just back up here, there's literally no gates or barriers or anything. You can just walk straight in. Like I said, you don't really get bothered round here. Check that out, man. Little hole in wall. Check this out, guys. So we're literally just we're literally outside the police station, yeah? And someone's just let the dog foul all over the street. It's disgusting, man. Right, we're going to wrap this one up. Just a little quick vlog of Shipley. I think I'm just going to whack this straight on the AY Vlogs channel, to be honest. But yeah, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.